ilé tí gígùn yẹn ni. So for subcutaneous injection, you build a tent around the between the neck. There you have more skin. Then you take the measurement for the treatment, say 0.1 mil or less. Then you insert the needle gently at angle 45 degrees. Then gently you feel it. Then you release. Release the treatment gently. Then to minimize pain and discomfort for the mice. So once that is done, you can now replace the rodent. So that is the process. So ensure you hold it. The tail is well secured between these fingers. Then you have it this way. The tent is prettier because you have more skin. So in our previous video, we have the abdominal process, but here we are using the tent at between the neck. So here we have more skin. So thank you.